If you're looking for a decent Insta360 Go Ultra alternative, then this camera just might be it. This is the SJCAM SJ30. It is an action camera just like the Go Ultra, but it has some very interesting and unique features. I'm gonna start with what's similar between the two. This is not a real comparison, but it's just more so showing you guys the option, because this one right now with the combo and versus this combo, this is about half the price of this one right here. And just like how you have the flip up screen of the Insta360, you do have a flip up screen over here as well. So you can use this, for some action camera, vlogging, or whatever style. And you will notice with the creator combo of the Go Ultra, you also have this rechargeable battery which attaches magnetically to this camera right here. Well, with the SJCAM SJ30, you also have something very, very similar or identical. So the magnet is very, very strong. Like, it's impressively strong. So you have this battery right here, rechargeable battery puck, as well as control to record and capture videos. But one thing you will quickly notice about this camera is the fact that it has dual lenses. One of the lenses is used for daytime camera, and the other lens is used at nighttime for night shots. You know how some other cameras have night views or night videos? Well, this one has a dedicated camera lens specifically for evening shots. And with this camera, it can automatically switch to night modes, or you can manually toggle night mode or daytime mode depending on whatever suits your needs. So yeah, this is a regular video, and now look at what happens when I turn on night vision or night mode. Just look at how much brighter that got for the night video. That is crazy. That is crazy. Just what a crazy difference. Once again, regular camera, look at how dark it is. And now night mode, just insane difference. This is literally the exact same spot. I haven't changed anything as far as lighting goes at all. Same place, but you can see the massive difference. This is a camera that I've been using now for a few weeks. I've taken it to a bunch of events. I've used it for cycling. I've taken it to record monster trucks and just a whole bunch of things. If you get a combo, it comes with this case right here, which comes along with the microphone. Now in this case comes with this power bank, which I already mentioned, as well as this right here for action stuff, which allows you to mount the camera either vertically or horizontally, depending on whichever way you want. So if you want to mount it vertically for portrait videos, you mount it this way. And if you want to mount it vertically, you actually mount it on the camera itself while it's in this. It comes with a bunch of different adapters at the bottom that can allow you to secure in many different places. Like I said, it is very well thought of. The microphone wirelessly connects to the camera itself. That way, if you want to capture audio outdoors and you don't want to use the built-in microphone, which it does have built-in microphone, but if you want to use this microphone right here that the SJCAM sells as well with the combo, this is it right here. Right now I'm recording in 6K 30 frames per second. While it can record in 8K, the 8K is only 20 frames per second, so I don't want to use that. I'd rather use the 6K, which gives you 30 frames per second. And I'm also using the microphone, the wireless microphone, which you can pair with the camera. So this is what it sounds like. Now there is quite a bit of noise, but you can't control the noise outdoors. So this is kind of what you're gonna get. It comes with two of this deck cats. You just put it on, and that will allow you to connect to the camera wirelessly without any other accessories or without any adapters, and this thing will connect to it, and that way you can get your audio. Because of the way I mounted it, the camera is tilted. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a horizon lock. Now let's say you want to record something and you're not near the camera, right? Or you want to download your videos but you don't want to remove the SD card. You can actually go into the app called the SJCAM app, and from there you can see it will give you the prompt to connect your camera. And once you connect, you can see it right here, it's turned on Wi-Fi and it's gonna connect promptly. Once the camera is connected, Now you can actually view it live view from your phone. From here, you can also go and change the settings as well. You can change the picture mode, time lapse, slow motion, photo, timer photo, burst, dash cam mode, loop recording. And for slow motion, if you want to capture that slow motion, you can also do that. And then once again, if you go here, you can actually download all your videos, which is something that I've done before. Once again, if you're looking for a much cheaper alternative compared to the Go Ultra, or basically compared to any of these action cameras out there, I think this is a great alternative, especially with everything that comes in the box. At $259 is the camera, but the bundle is at $289 or $280 or something like that. I mean, I will highly recommend the bundle for sure. With this right here, you will get more charges out of it, and you can use this to trigger the recording as well. If you're looking for one, I'll put a link in the description where you can get it. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.